Hey guys, how are you? It's Jean Watts. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you guys how I do this hair tutorial because we have some weddings coming up and I also know it's prom season. So if you're trying to figure out ways that you can do your own hair, save some money, or if you're traveling like how I am, I don't want to be able to travel around with a bunch of hair tools. So I use this Vibrastrait straightener, obviously to straighten my hair, which is usually what I do, or I use this to curl my hair, and it makes it really easy. I'm going to show you how to do that. I love this specific straightener because I don't know if you can hear that, but it vibrates when you pull it together. So when you are curling it or straightening it, it makes the hair just glide out a lot better than something else that might stop it. So this is great. I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to show you how I do this. I will link everything below as always. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so I did my makeup the way I would probably do my makeup if I was going to a wedding, homecoming, anything that's fun and out. So you can see the whole look. So let's start with hair care. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen me go through a massive hair journey, specifically last year, where my hair accidentally turned so many different colors, and it took me a lot of time to get to where I'm at now. This past week, I have been using this Cloud9 Restoring Shampoo and the Daily Restoring Conditioner. Obviously, restoring shampoo, my hair needs to be restored from all the bleach and the color and all the products that I put in there all the time because I like to do my hair. And then a massive trick, if you have damaged hair, blonde hair, dry hair, whatever, I will take the Daily Story Restoring Conditioner or a deep hair mask, and I will put it through the ends of my hair, especially the deep ends, and then around my front, because there's a lot of breakage for me. Then I'll blow dry it, and depending on how dry your hair is, for me, it makes my hair feel so hydrated without it being too heavy. You have to find the right amount. For me, I put a little more than you would think, and it really helps. So then, you blow dry your hair, you style it. Then I love oils. So I will use the Enhancing Shine Serum by Vibrates, and I also have the Smoothing Serum. My hair was straight yesterday, so I have a little bit more than I would normally put in, even though I love when my hair looks hydrated. So that's hair care. Now, we're gonna do my hair. Whenever I'm trying to do my hair, I like to keep my hair dirty. So that's what it is. So let's begin. I'm excited to do this hair. First, I have, it's already getting hot, the Vibrastrait. This is the Pro. This is their skinnier version. I'm using this to curl my hair, and I'll show you how to do that. Then I have my hair ties. Then I have these that I got from Amazon. They're hair donuts. I will link them below. This is going to be the MVP of making this look a lot more lavish than what it really is. And then I have bobby pins. I just have these normal ones, and I have these ones that are a little more spaced. These come with the hair donuts. Then I have hair wax, and I have the Vibrates, the movable finishing hairspray. I'm pretty sure. Oh, and then I have a brush like this because we're gonna smooth it out, and then I just have a normal brush like that. Let's begin. So you can do this. I'm gonna put my hair up, but you can do the front kind of however you want. If you want to leave a side, if you want to leave two little pieces in the front and this up, which maybe I'll do. But originally I was gonna do that part. We'll see. That's not really the most important part, but the way we're gonna see is by me taking, so I'll take it like that. For now, I'm just gonna take it into whatever little hair tie. And now we're gonna brush his hair up. When I was younger, I've always been a makeup girl. I used to go to school in 4th grade with glitter as lip liner. Hair hasn't always been the best thing that I'm good at, but I feel over the years I've gotten a lot better at it. Mind you, I do have like 1 row of hand sewn tied extensions. My hair is long, but I do like a little more volume. So I want to get this like really tight and snatched. And then I'm going to take this hair wax. And I'm going to start waxing this all the way up. And then I'm going to take the smaller one right here. And get it real tight. See how much more snatched that looks? Now, I'm going to do the bottom. I'm just going to go all the way around right now. Just got back from Vegas EDC. We just went for 1 day, but we went to Vegas for a couple days, but we went to EDC 1 day and I am struggling. So now think about like where you want to put your hair. I want this to like sit here. So I feel like I'm gonna do it here. Go. Boom. Cute. I'm gonna do another one because I really want this to stay in place. I'm gonna do another one. And that feels really good. It feels really tight. I'm just gonna go through and just brush a little more. Love a good snatch. Okay. Now with these. Again, you can have these like, you know, taking this hair back, you know, and leaving these down, which again, in theory would look really cute. You know, or you can, again, do the side. I'm gonna do a slick back. That's what I was originally gonna do, so we're gonna do that. So, I'm gonna take this hair. I'm gonna wax it a bit so it's a little more controllable. Yeah, cute. All right, now I got a bobby pin. This is like the tighter one. I'm putting this, so it's in order for it to like have that part, I'm gonna part it kind of the side. It's fine. I'm just gonna pin it. Pin it kind of tight. Oh, my breakage. I have like little baby hairs right here, so sometimes I like to brush this part just a little down so it looks a little more tamed and covers that area. I'm gonna brush this just a little down so it stays. I don't know how this is gonna look, okay? But look how I have it here. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna take it, brush it, nice. Place it where I think, pin it, and take this little like, the one that goes out, that's inwards. And the cool thing is like, let's say you don't like where it's at, you can just unpin it and move it around and you're fine. Yeah, obviously like the ends of the hair that we just pinned. I take it, I'm going to crisscross it, pin it again, just closer to the hairband so your hair can cover it. Even though the back of our head is none of our business, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna take the little hairs that are now even there. I'm just gonna cross them over the front, drag it around the back, and pin the remainders. Now, so these come in different sizes, these hair donuts. Actually, hair wax this a little more. I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna take this Vibrato movable hairspray and I'm just gonna spray this around. Now the fun part. We are gonna take, these come in different sizes. I'm gonna try to do the big one because I really want this to be like epic. So you're gonna take your hair and feed it through. Yeah. These come with bobby pins that are the wider ones, like this. You take it and just kind of like, just pin wherever to your head. Just so it stays a little bit. I'm gonna do all 4 sides. Great. I'm gonna take the hair and I'm gonna start curling it with the straightener. I'll do one right here. The smaller pieces that you have, the easier it is to do this. If you have a lot, it might be kind of hard because I want the hair to be like sleek and curly. I'm gonna take this, take the hair this way, and slowly pull it. Okay. Just really nice. I'm gonna take it. Ready. So sometimes like when you do it in this method, the ends might like come out of your hands, so just like bend it a little more and then. See like how it comes out? I'm just gonna slowly keep bending it. Boom. She's cute, she's curled, she's still kind of sleek. I'm gonna spray it. Okay, so you can do this in a way where you can wrap your hair around and then like put a band on and then kind of mess with it. I'm gonna do it a little like more professional way maybe. I'm gonna take this piece right here and you kind of honestly just like mess with it. Maybe I'll put it this way. I'm gonna bring this in the back a little more and then we're gonna take this bobby pin that's kind of wider and I'm gonna pin it just even a little bit. You don't have to do so deep. I'm just gonna like position everything. And these are like so great because they have holes in them so you can like, you know, stick some bobby pins in there. I'm gonna take this one and put it like here, like in the front. I'm gonna take a tighter one, a tighter bobby pin. I'm gonna pin it down and take the rest, like the tail end. Curl right here, take the wider one. Yeah, you know what, I'm gonna take this. So see how this is like coming down like that? I'm gonna take another one and just pin it. So I'm wrapping it in a spiral, covering as much as I can of the bun. Taking a wide one, just sticking it through. So again, the great thing about these ones is that you can stick them through and then you can take them out and reposition them. Right now I'm trying to pin everything where I want it. Make this work. I want to take a little bit of the hair from the back and I do want to bring it to the front. So if you have enough hair that you can do that, position those forward. I'm like not being perfect with this. I actually feel like you don't need to be perfect with this whatsoever. Now these little guys, I might split them up. brush it. Curl it a little more. So you see how I'm trying to mess with this? Like going, ooh. Okay. I'm gonna do it like that. Go here. A tighter bobby pin here. Since I need a cover right there, I'm gonna take the pin out, curl it, this wide one, and wait for it now, and pin it. So this is showing right there. That makes it easier for me to see where I should put this. Now, do I want to put it like here? Do I want to put it there? Do I want to split it and do both? Do I want to leave it? Now a reminder, when you do these and you're trying to position everything, try to make sure each strand is pretty like smoothed out, or else it can kind of look a little more rattier. Like smooth each pieces, the more like, I don't know, ribbony it can look. Sorry guys, oh my goodness. I'm taking one of these pieces, splitting it. I honestly feel like the less you think about it, the cuter it will turn out. Like when I used to do updos, I used to just like pin it to my head and somehow it would just like look cute. Like that messy, sexy, effortless look. Because I'm like trying to be like really perfect about it right now, and I don't think it needs all that. I'm just kind of like gonna pin it. Tell me the password. I'm gonna spray this real quick. Because sometimes that does half the job. All right, I have this piece falling down. So now I'm gonna take a mirror and I'm gonna see what it looks like. Oh. I can take that little piece and I can pin it. Or what if I curl it? It's kind of like this cute little curl. I don't know, I'm not mad at it. I love it. This is so cute. I really like it. So I love it. I'm gonna spray it again to really make sure it stays. If I sprayed it, my hair feels super, you can dance, I can have fun. I'm obsessed. I am in love with this. I think this turned out really good. Maybe you'll do a better job than I did, but I'm a DIY girl and I also like to look glamorous and fun. If you want to maybe do your own hair, save some money for homecoming, or if you have a wedding coming up and it's just really expensive to get your hair done, to me, this looks like you had your hair done. I hope you guys liked it. I absolutely love it. Shout out to Vibrastrait. I love this straightener. The small one gets like this nicest curl, and especially like when I'm traveling and I can't carry around like a ton of different hair products, I just bring a straightener and I can also curl my hair. Let me know if you guys try it, as always. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.